Welcome to the spoken tutorial on default constructor in Java. In this tutorial, we will learn about the default constructor and to create a constructor. Here we are using Ubuntu version 11.10, Java Development Kit 1.6 and Eclipse 3.7.0. To follow this tutorial, you must know how to create a class and the object of the class in Java using Eclipse. If not, for relevant tutorial, please visit our website, which is as shown. Constructor is used to initialize the instance variables. It is called at the creation of new object. Let us now see how a constructor is defined in Java. So in the Eclipse, I have already created a Java file student.java. In the student class, we will declare two variables. So type int roll number semicolon and string name semicolon. Now let us create a method. So type void student detail. Within curly brackets, type system.out.println roll number. Then system.out.println name. Now in main method, we will call this method. So let us create an object and call the method. So type student object name stu equal to new student. Then stu dot method name, that is student detail. Save and run the program. We see the output 0 and null. So the int variable roll number has been initialized to its default value 0 and the string name has been initialized to its default value null. If we do not define a constructor, then a default constructor is created. Default constructor has no parameters. It initializes the instant variables to their default value. Now let us define a constructor. So type student S capital parenthesis and curly brackets. Remember, the constructor has the same name as the class name to which it belongs. Constructors are also similar to methods, but there are some important differences. Save and run the program. We see the same output. This is because the constructor that we have defined is same as having no constructor. But here no default constructor is created because we have defined a constructor. Now let us give values to our variables. So inside the constructor, type roll number equal to 10 semicolon and name equal to within double quotes Raman. Now save and run the program. We see in the output that the roll number is 10 and the name is Raman. So the constructor initializes the instant field. Now let us see some difference between method and a constructor. Constructor does not have a written type, whereas method has a written type. Constructor is called using the new operator, whereas the method is called using the dot operator. So these are some differences between constructor and method. So in this tutorial, we have learned about the default constructor to define a constructor and differences between method and constructor. For self-assessment, create a class employee with variables and a method to display variables, and create a constructor for the class employee. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at spoken-tutorial.org/what is a Spoken Tutorial. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thanks for joining. This is Prathamesh Saunke signing off. Jai Hind.